Hi everyone, we're going to continue writing notes from 1.3. You should already have this work from the previous video. If not, check part 1. Now we're going to do an example with a decimal. We're going to take 1.2 minus 0.4x equals negative 0.6. All right, so my first step will be to subtract 1.2 from both sides. I want to undo the 1.2, and when I do that, this will cancel over here, and I'll have negative 0.4x equals, these are both negative, so I'm going to add the results together, and I'll have 1.8, but because they're both negative, my result will be negative. And now I'm going to divide by negative 0.4, divide by negative 0.4. So this will cancel right here, and I have x equals, both of these are negative, so my answer is going to be positive. But since it's a decimal like this, I'm going to go aside, and I'm just going to do a little bit of decimal division since I don't have a calculator nearby. I'm going to do this, but remember when we divide decimals, we have to shift these over. And so I'm going to have 4 into 18. 18 divided by 4, that will be 4. 16, so the remainder will be 2. Since I'm out of digits, I'm going to add a decimal and a 0 and bring the 0 down. 20 divided by 4 will be 5. And that's 0. Okay, so x will equal 4.5. All right, let's do our last example for the day. We're going to have x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to negative 1/4. So I'm going to use a technique sometimes called eliminate the fractions, or fraction busters, I've heard it called. I'm going to multiply the whole entire equation by the least common multiple of the denominators. So the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. So I'm going to multiply each term by 12. And when I do that, I'm going to have 12 times x minus 1 over 3 equals negative 12 times 1, right? I multiply this 12 times the numerator times 1 over 4. And now I can simplify. 12 divided by 3, that's no problem. That's going to be 4 times x minus 1 equals, okay, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3, so my result over here will be negative 3. All right, now this is pretty easy. I just see that I have to distribute, and so I'll have 4x minus 4 equals negative 3. Let's add 4 here and here. And I have 4x equals 1. I have to divide both sides by 4. And so my answer will be x equals 1/4. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped.